What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Dirty Business Garage. We are back on the 59. This will be the last day we shoot it here in this garage. Off camera, I did a bunch of little stuff. Definitely going to be backtracking a little bit today. I fixed the brakes, but I need to bleed them now. Having a little issues with the shifter linkage, so we're going to fix that today as well. And then we can put the carpet back in for the last time. And finally got my seat back. It was never touched. So it looks a little rough, but whatever. It's good for now. We're just gonna run it. So we'll be doing that. And we had a header leak. So I got new gaskets for that. And so maybe we'll put those in as well. See how long it takes for us to do this stuff. So hang in there and stay tuned.
What do you want to do first, Roman? Brakes or shifter?
Let's just do this brakes real quick. And then we're done.
There's nothing real quick. There's nothing real quick. Hey, Roman.
Lower trucks, dude.
Why are you pulling the wheels?
Because I gotta bleed the brake.
Okay.
So that'd be easier.
Okay. Hey, Roman.
What's up?
I'll show you a trick.
I didn't want to lay under there. And
Oh, all right. You don't have to yell at me.
All right.
You gonna pull the other wheel?
Sure. Why don't you show me your trick? Let's show the audience your trick.
Where's your thing at?
Where's your thing at?
Gun. The cheer.
Here's the mirror.
All right. Why does it slow down like that?
It's on impact mode or whatever. I don't know. That's what it does.
Okay, all right. Not criticizing.
Well, I'm not saying it. I'm just telling you.
Lowered trucks.
That's because this fender is flared out more.
Whatever. Get underneath there.
Dude, I'm...
Yeah.
Same thing. Get this little bleeder in here. Oh, let's go the other way. All right. So I'm just using a rag so we don't make too much of a mess. Go ahead. Open. Close.
It feels good in here.
All right. Looks good. I didn't see any air
Lock her
bubbles.
down.
Lock her down.
Lock her down. Yeah, it feels good. Feels like you got all kinds of brake. This shifter's been nothing but an ass ache.
Dude. This transmission is since I got it.
Yeah.
And you know what's gonna happen to this thing?
You're gonna put a Tremec 5-speed in it and call it good?
Because it's gonna
Right? The first time you do a burnout? Nuh-uh.
No.
I'm all out of love. I'm so lost without you.
Oh no, you were right. Even it's so no. Boom. Look at that. It's like a. This is by eye. Look at that. So good.
All right, let's go out with these wires.
Who's the wire?
Do they go underneath the rug?
Just that one.
Just this one?
Yeah. I don't know where that one came from.
Oh, you gave me the hard side.
I'll do it.
Hang on, you got spaghetti everywhere. Hold on. Hold this out of the way.
Good thing I don't have no marinara.
A little pasta.
So how do you want to do this seat? Just some holes.
Lock her down.
I guess we'll set it in here. Try to market it
Lock her down.
if we can, and go from there. Professional. It'll buff out. It's carbon fiber.
Don't do that, it hurts.
Hold on.
You okay?
Yeah.
Put your shifter in first gear.
Oh, I should slide right through. Sorry.
Yeah. Oh, it's like the perfect fit, dude.
Dude, it's pretty crazy, huh?
Yeah.
I'm gonna cut this seat open.
Make the room vroom.
Steve's ready to go for it.
Yeah, come on. Let's go for a drive.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, dude. What's that one Family Guy thing? Oh.
Oh, wow.
Put your feet up on the pedal. Yeah, that's kind of goofy, isn't it?
It is what it is. I'm gonna switch everything out eventually.
Oh, I understand that.
It's just the old 50s stuff. It's so weird. It's big.
Well, you might. That's what I'm saying. You might be able just to cut this down. Go ahead and press your brake.
So I could
You got a lot of brake.
I could shorten that guy, but
Right.
this is the one that I kind of. Would I have to see if
How much you engage.
right, and then I could shorten that way.
Right. What are you laughing at? Is it like looking at Cheech and Chong or what?
You can't see this.
Definitely, I can cut my feet off, which is cool.
How about the gas pedal?
Steering wheel's a little high.
Yeah.
It's tilt.
It is all the way tilted.
Can't tilt it down no more.
No, that's down as down goes.
I could drop the steering wheel.
Dude, well, that's what we were talking about the other day.
Yeah, I can shorten the shaft,
Yeah.
but that's not a big deal.
Okay.
What would happen if you raise the seat up? Does that mess stuff up?
Yeah, I don't want to be that high. That's perfect height.
Well, yeah. What's the harm?
You want straight across with the shoulder. You know. How you feel over there, Steve?
I feel like new money.
Right? My
Yeah.
head's not too far up there.
We could compare my truck's stock seat height.
Yeah, but there's nothing stock about this truck.
I think it goes down just a.
How's it with the gas pedal?
I can let my foot on there.
Okay.
Meow. Cop. Shh.
Okay, man.
Blew right out the side.
What?
Boof. It's okay.
Brand new.
Bezo came through.
Brand new. Is
Yeah.
that Velcro? Yep.
Yep. Well,
Well, drill your holes.
That's okay.
I'm trying to help out. I don't know what's going on here.
Oh, see what you made me do?
What did I do? What are you doing, Robin?
I'm gonna try a different technique and heat this drill bit up a little bit, so maybe it just burns through the carpet.
5 to 10 seconds and then slow and steady.
Hey, that kind of worked.
No!
Go!
They're all gonna laugh at you.
Oh my god, how did that happen?
You did it!
Oh my god. How did it happen? Jesus freaking Christ.
Oops.
Don't do that. No one's gonna see it. It's gonna be under here.
Ah!
So I'm just drilling some pilot holes. And then we go, oh, it's burning me. And then we go big. It's like one of those movements. Yeah, I know. My drill bits suck. He's over there fighting demons. Well, that wraps it up here at the old garage. This will be the last time we're shooting here. Move in a couple days, but we got her running. Steve changed the header gasket, and then what else we do? We fitted the seat in, we put the carpet back in, and just prior to that, we fixed the shifter linkage
Again.
and bled the rear brakes
Again.
Sometimes you gotta do it twice.
Again.
Or 3 times, you know. So far, it's just twice. Actually, that shifter, maybe like 4th time. I don't know. But it's all fun. Yeah, that'll wrap it up, and that marks off a whole bunch of stuff off the list. And obviously, I have plenty of wiring to do. Got to put glass in. Got to put the e-brake in, and at that point, I think we're ready for a test drive. So probably won't see this thing for another week or so, but it will be coming back. And hopefully next time you guys see it, it'll be doing burnouts. Right, Duke? Right. All right. Thanks for tuning in, guys. We'll see you next time.
Bye.